Trigonometry chapter we are in exercise 6.4 question 1. In the exercise we'll be using both angle of elevation and angle of depression. Start with the first question. From the top of a tree of height 13 meters, right? This is a tree 13 meters of height. On the top of the tree, the angle of elevation and depression of the top and bottom of another tree are 45 degrees and 30 degrees. முதல் ட்ரீயோட டாப்ல இருந்து ரெண்டாவது ட்ரீயோட டாப்பையும் பார்க்குறோம் பாட்டமையும் பார்க்குறோம் at an angle of elevation of 45 and angle of depression of 30 degrees. If root 3 is equal to 1.732, find the height of the second tree அப்படின்னு இருக்காங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் படத்தை வரைஞ்சிக்கலாம். So it will understand what is happening and then solve it. Right? இந்த question solve பண்ணுறது entails 3 steps. We look at each one at a time. So இந்த tree தான் is of height 13 meters. We'll call it as tree 1. இதோட டாப்ல இருந்து we are looking at the top of another tree. So this is tree 2. இதோட டாப்பை பார்க்குறோம். The angle of elevation thus formed is equal to 45 degrees, right? Angle of elevation to the top is 45 degrees. இது 45. இந்த ட்ரீயோட டாப்ல இருந்து we are looking at the bottom of the second tree. So what we get is angle of depression that they have said is equal to 30 degrees. This is equal to 30 degrees. Angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation. So இது 30 degrees இருந்ததுன்னா tree 2 ஓட bottom இருந்து tree 1 ஓட டாப்பை பார்க்கறதுக்கு angle of elevation கிடைக்கும். That is equal to 30 degrees. நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க வேண்டியது height of tree 2. Tree 1 ஓட height தெரியும் 13 மீட்டர். இந்த distance கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம்னா right, we'll call it as for example x. Tree 2 ஓட height x plus 13 meters. Right? This is our final objective. So இப்போ x கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். x கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு angle தெரியும், opposite side தெரியும், வேற ஏதாவது ஒரு சைடு தெரிஞ்சா கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். வேற எந்த சைடு தெரிய வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு? We'll be able to find out the distance between the two trees. We have another right triangle, 30 degrees angle தெரியும், opposite side ஓட value 13 meters தெரியும். So tan theta வை யூஸ் பண்ணி step 1 we'll find out the distance between the two trees. இந்த step 1ல கிடைக்கிற value தான் is essentially going to be the adjacent side for the second triangle's tan 45. So in the first step la distance between the trees kandupidichittu, second step la we will find out the value of x, third step is going to give us the height of the tree, second tree. So let's do step 1. Step 1 we are going to find out BD which is equal to AC. எந்த right triangle எடுத்துக்க போறோம்? We are going to take right triangle BAC. In right triangle BAC, angle of depression is 30, so angle of elevation is also equal to 30. So in the angle opposite side is BA, adjacent side is AC. So tan எடுத்துக்க போறோம். So tan of angle 30 and 30 degrees is equal to the opposite side BA divided by the adjacent side AC. Tan 30 1 by root 3 தெரியும். BA is equal to the height of the first tree 13 meter divided by AC. Cross multiply பண்ணோம்னா we'll get the value of AC to be equal to 13 root 3. So step 1 we found out AC and BD which is equal to 13 root 3. Step 2 we'll find out ED, that's what we are going to do. Step 2 compute the value of ED. We are going to look at right triangle EDB. இதுக்கு right triangle EDB we are looking at angle 45. I'm going to look at tan because we're trying to find out ED which is the opposite side. We know the measure of the adjacent side BD which is equal to 13 root 3. So this is equal to BD. Tan 45 கொடுத்தனா life ரொம்ப simple. Tan 45 is equal to 1 which is ED divided by BD ஓட value is equal to 13 root 3. So ED is equal to 13 root 3. நம்ம என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? We need to find out EC. EC is equal to, step 3 will give us the answer. EC is equal to ED plus DC. DC is the same as BA. So this is 13 root 3. ED போன ஸ்டெப்ல கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம். Plus the value of BA which is equal to 13. Which is 13 into root 3 plus 1. Root 3 ஓட value 1.732. So 1.732 plus 1 is 2.732. So 13 into 2.732 is the answer. Calculation actually பண்ணி பார்த்துடலாம். 2732 13 ஒரு 6 9 21 2 6 plus 2 is 8, 2732 அப்படி எழுதிக்கலாம். 6, 11, 1 carry over, so this is going to make it as 5, 15, 1 carry over, this is 5, 35.52 is what the answer is, right? 35.52 meters is the height of the second tree.